listen here. Up in Harlem every Saturday night, when the highbrows get together, it's just too tight. They all congregate at the all-night strut, and what they do is a tut-tut-tut. Old Hannah Brown from way across town gets full of corn and starts breaking them down. Just at the break of day, you can hear old Hannah say, give me a Bigfoot, yeah, and a bottle of beer. Send me gate, I don't care. I feel just like I want a clown. Give the piano player a drink because he's bringing me down. He's got a rhythm, yeah, when he stomps his feet. He sends me right off to sleep. Check all your razors and your guns. We're gonna be resting when the wagon come. I want a Bigfoot, oh, and a bottle of beer. Send me cause I don't care. Slay me cause I don't care. Because he's bringing me down. He's got a rhythm, yeah, when he stomps his feet. He sends me right off to sleep. Check all your razors and your guns. Do the shim sham shimmy till the rising sun. I want a Bigfoot,